Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about no makeup tutorials. Let's get started. First, I'm going to just take some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey to cover the discoloration on my eyelids. Next guys, I'm going to take two primers. The first primer I'm using is the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I like to apply that one to my oilier areas of my face. So that's going to be like around my nose, on my cheeks, and on my forehead. Then on the outer perimeter of my face, I like to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream. Alright guys, I'm taking my favorite color corrector ever. It's the Black Radiance color corrector. I think this one's in orange. And I'm going to just use that to cover up all of my darker areas. And to blend that out, I'm going to take my Morphe M335 brush. Alright guys, to set that corrector in place, I'm going to take my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in shade medium. Alright guys, on to foundation. I'm going to take this Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in shade 7.5. This is like the best foundation I've ever freaking used, no lie. It's the best. Alright guys, now to conceal or to highlight, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this one's in Caramel. I like to highlight under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, above my lips, and on my chin. And to blend that out, I'm using my Real Technique sponge. Whoop whoop. Time for the bomb combo here. It's the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder and Midnight Banana Powder. I like to mix those two together to set that concealer, my highlight, in place. This will stop the concealer from creasing and give me like a soft light under the eyes. And to add a little bit of warmth to my face, like I like to call it a soft contour, I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer, and this is Ebony Bronze. And I'm going to take my favorite drugstore mascara. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I'm going to just add a little bit of length to my lashes. So on a no makeup day, I'm not going to be wearing falsies, girl. It's the purpose is to make it look like you have on very little to no makeup, right? So I'm going to just add some mascara onto my top and bottom lashes. Alright, and for the lips, I'm taking the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. I think this one is Sandstorm. And right on top of that, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip glass to add a little bit of glossiness. Now for a highlighter, I'm using the Soph X Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I'm taking that bronzy-like shade to highlight my cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!